Son, listen to me. I don't know who you think you are right now, but let me be clear, you're not as strong as you think you are. You can't handle this world alone. And the fact that you believe you can, that's your biggest weakness. The world doesn't care about your ego. It'll break you down and spit you out without a second thought. But you're walking around like you've got it all figured out? Like you've got nothing to learn from me? Wrong! You think I haven't faced the battles you're facing now? You think I haven't walked through storms that would have destroyed you? This pride, this attitude you carry, it's leading you to ruin, and you don't even see it. Son, let me ask you, are you prepared for the consequences of your actions? Because right now you're on a path to self-destruction, and I can't watch you do this to yourself. For all of you watching, how many of you are living like this? Ignoring the wisdom of those who came before you, thinking you know better? Don't lie to yourself. This message isn't just for my son, it's for you too. If you can relate, I want to hear from you in the comments. Let's have a conversation about where this mindset will take you. Now back to you, son. You have potential. You have strength. But you're wasting it. All this time spent trying to prove me wrong. Trying to prove everyone wrong. What does it get you? Respect, number, success, N-O. It gets you isolation. It gets you failure. There's no shame in needing guidance, son. You think independence is power, but wisdom is the real power. I love you, and that's why I'm telling you this now. You're not invincible. You can't handle everything on your own. But here's the good news. You don't have to. You don't have to fight these battles by yourself. Let go of that ego. Accept that you need help. Ask for advice. Listen to those who care about you. And grow from it. Because if you keep going down this path, one day, it'll be too late. One day, you'll look around and no one will be there to pull you out of the mess you created. Is that what you want? Son, I'm still here. I'll always be here. But I won't stand by while you destroy yourself. So take this message, reflect on it, and change your course. Not for me, but for you. Now for everyone else watching. What are you going to do? Are you going to keep walking down that road of pride? Or are you going to humble yourself, learn, and grow? The choice is yours. I invite you to think deeply about it, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe if you're ready to face the truth and grow.